Hello, today I'm going to talk about an Android-based application for financial needs, and this application is called iQuick Calculator. This lets you calculate a mortgage amortization schedule for mortgages, auto loans, payment schedules for credit cards, as well as future values for annuities, as well as one-time investments. So let's take a look at this application. So here, as you can see on the top, there are different tabs, each representing different areas in the application for different needs. First one is for credit cards. Here you can add multiple credit cards and then run payment schedule combined. Then we have mortgage. We have screen for entering the mortgage information. At this point, we have fixed mortgage as well as for adjustable rate. Then we have auto loans, and also we have some calculation for future values, either one-time investment or based on annuity. So let's take a look at how we can work with the credit card. So I'm going to just quickly enter some fictitious data, and then we will see how this is working. So I'm now entering for CitiCard, again, fictitious values. My mistake. So here you can see that I've entered two cards, and this calculation is based on what we call as roll down payment, which basically allows you to accumulate payment towards one higher balance credit card so that you can minimize your interest on that credit card. So let's try that without giving any extra payment. So next we will see what the impact is by giving extra payment. It shows you the summary, and if you want to look at the schedule, you can click on individual items. Here it gives you the summary of your payments. As you can see that first it tries to pay off the balance, pay off the card which has the lesser balance, and then it will use the remaining balance, remaining payments from one credit card into another one, and roll it down to the next credit card so that you can use that payment. You can use the extra payment towards paying off the credit card sooner. And as you can see that sometimes around November 7, 2016, you basically have some balance available, and after that your payment increases because your prior card was already paid off, and you use some of the payments from that credit card towards this one, and you pay off this card sooner. So your interest that you paid, total interest is shown up here, which is 1928, and and let's take a look at it. If I want to add, let's say, $100 towards the payments, then what is the impact? As you can see that drastically reduced down the total interest paid. Previously it was 1900 some dollars. Now after having $100 monthly towards these two credit cards, your total interest reduces down to $982 and some cents. So this is how you can quickly pay off your credit cards. And then let's take a look at quickly the amortization schedules for mortgages. So fixed mortgage is one, and then we have adjustable rate mortgage. So let's say my balance was $250,000, and then it was mortgaged for 30 years, and the interest rate was 4.75. And let's pick up 5/1 ARM. You also have flexibility of choosing different ARM types. And let's say the adjustment after the duration is 0.25% with a maximum of 12%, and minimum we can also put to 4. And let's see what the schedule I get. So this is my schedule for a 5-1 ARM given the 4.75 interest rate, and you can see that the total interest that I'm going to pay is actually more than my principal balance. The starting payment would be around $1,304. So if you wanna see the impact for a decreasing adjustment rate, then let's see how. And here, as you can see, that the interest has been drastically reduced because of the decreasing adjustment rate. The starting payment was the same, $1,304, but after 60 months, it's gonna adjust for next 12 months, and then further next 12 months, so on and so forth, until our balance reaches 0. One of the features that you can do is you can email this entire schedule to any of your email address, and let's give it a shot. And let's try to send it. All right, so you get a notification that email was sent successfully. So in a moment, we'll take a look at it. But before that, let's look at other features. So you can also export it. This will be sent as an attachment. I'm not going to show an example here, but you can try it. And also, it allows you to save this loan. And let's say I'm going to save this as my loan. As ARM. Just going to write this data. You get notification, data successfully written. And now you're going to go back, and if you want to look at your saved data, you go to manage loans, and here is the list of all the previously saved loans. So you can see this loan right there, and you can see it again. The other feature is that you can also compare different loans. So you click on it, compare. Here's the list of all the loans that you want to compare against. One of the features that you can see here is you can change the language, the currency type. So for example, you want to go to Great Britain pound, you come here, save it, and now if you see your schedule, it will be listed in pounds. So you can select different currencies as well. Last but not least, I'm just going to show quickly the future values. So there are different type of calculations. Suppose you want to reach a certain future value, so it can tell you how much per month you need given the compound interest. So let's say you want to reach a 45,000 future value compounding annually with an interest rate of 5% annually, and let's say you want to reach that in 15 years. And if I do that calculations, I see that the monthly investment needed is 173.78. In this case is pounds, but it will be in dollars if you want to set the currency type. You can send this as a text to any of your any of the mobile phone, and basically your values, your information can be sent as in form of text. So let me send it to myself, and so I just sent it to myself, and as you can see that I have received the notification, and I've got this message right there giving me all the results of the calculation I just did. So this is a very handy way of keeping track, saving your information and sharing it with other people. So this is pretty much it. So lastly, I'm just going to quickly look at the email we sent, and let's see if we got that email. And so let's come here and quickly check that, and that's right there. So if I open up this email, I will come here and I can view all the calculations, and the schedule is all shown attached with this email. So it's pretty good. In a professionally looking manner, you can email the entire schedule along with the summary of the loan. So this is pretty much it, and we have application available on the Android market. It's iQuick Calculator, as the name says, and you can also find us on AppBrain as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.